Hello everyone, today we will study formation of complex salt. Let's study from experiment A. Let's take the copper salt. And add small amount of ammonia until formation of precipitation. You can see this blue precipitate. And if you add more ammonia, precipitate was dissolved, and blue color complex, ammonium complex, was formed. The same reaction with nickel and salt, nickel sulfate. If I add small amount of ammonium, some green precipitate, small amount of green precipitate was formed. Then I add more ammonia solution. Precipitate dissolved, and the blue color complex, I can see the formation of blue color complex. Next experiment. If I take the iron sulfate solution, and add potassium hexasulfurate solution, the dark blue solution and solid precipitate will be formed. Insoluble substance and soluble substance have different formulas, but both substances we can call Prussian blue, with blue color compound. This reaction can be used to determine the iron 2 salts. Next experiment. If I take the solution of iron 3 fluoride, and add a solution of ammonium thiocyanate, the product of this reaction is a dark red solution with color like blood, Next experiment. I think you know that particularly all potassium salts is soluble in water. For example, I take potassium chloride. But if I take the sodium hexanitrocolvoltate solution, we prepared this solution before the experiment, and mix them, we can obtain yellow color precipitate. It's because the salts of hexanitrocolvoltate with potassium and sodium is insoluble in water, and this reaction can be used to determine the potassium ions in aqueous solutions. Also, I think you know that silver salts, for example, silver nitrate, can react with chlorides with formation of insoluble in water silver chloride. So if I mix silver chloride with potassium chloride, or silver nitrate with potassium chloride, I can obtain the white color precipitate of insoluble silver chloride. But if I add the ammonia solution, this precipitate dissolved because of formation of complex some large particles is insoluble now, but if I mix it better by using stick, already particularly all precipitate dissolved. Maybe I should add more ammonia solution. Now now it's a clear solution without color and precipitate. Next experiment. If I take the cobalt salt, for example, cobalt sulfate, this color, cobalt sulfate, this pink color solution in, and if I add the solid ammonium thiocyanate, color change to purple because of formation of complex. To obtain this product, you should use the crystalline ammonium thiocyanate, because if you will use solution of this compound, because this reaction is reversible, you cannot obtain the product in useful amount, large amount. But if I dissolve this mixture, for example, by using distilled water, color become to the pink like in start. Also because this reaction is reversible, and if I add water, more started materials, this reaction come to the backroot. Next reaction. By using cobalt sulfate, I can obtain another complexes. For example, if I will use the solid sodium nitrate, this is a pink solution, and if I add sodium nitrate, color changes from pink to orange, because of formation of nitrate complex in our color. And also you can obtain complex of cobalt with chloride by using concentrated hydrochloric acid. Also remember this color is pink. But if I add concentrated hydrochloric acid, this is a concentrated hydrochloric acid. Look. Color changes from pink to the purple at first, and then if I add more, to the blue. But also, like we experiment with, sodium ammonium thiocyanate, if I add water, color change to the color of cobalt sulfate. Because the reaction of cobalt salt with hydrochloric acid is also reversible, and then you dissolve this. Then you add water. This reaction comes to the backroot, and aqua complex of cobalt was formed.